from Portugal, brave Portugal, Antonio Monteiro, but that's the corner flag there.
And of course, we spoke about injuries earlier on as to always a concern that too. You see Domalala is also on the field, another replacement. And, so those are fresh legs, but the Fijians are just such good athletes. Just don't really look like they get tired at all. Veitokani, he's got one try already as a replacement. Here he comes for his second one. And the Russians are slowly tiring.
What I'm about this. Look at him. He offloads again. He does a 360. And another one just to top it all off does the number 8. Veitokani's already scored one try. Unselfishly gives a more experienced player a meat pie.
Too wide. Pops it back on the inside. Beautiful ball. Great running angle from Veitokani. And it was a clear sprint to the line. So,
the 3-on-2 here, floated over the top by Nagusa, and we're going to have another try. Some very fancy stepping from Veitokani. Alivereti, Veitokani in for just the second try of his 7's career.
That for the Fijians to their 4th try of the game. And it's going to be another one. A little bit of a mess there, and a neat little pickup.
Pinging on the middle. So they've done that, but the jumpers are in the bench. Oh, it's gone to the man who just scored the try, Nasila. He floats it out wide, and the try scorer is Veitokani. Fiji, march on.
Wow, could he do that get any better? Absolutely outstanding. Twice today, coming from the last, from the death. Fiji just, they never say die. Absolutely brilliant off the restart. Look at that, shrugging off the tackle. Nasalisala, and what an offload out wide. Brilliant from Fiji. Outstanding game of rugby.